In addition to the single image blog post, we can also make a gallery, a blog post that contains multiple images. So this may be good for something, let's say, you take photos at a wedding and you want to upload the entire album, but you don't want every single photo to show up on the front page. You can create a gallery blog post where they'll have to actually click on the post to see the rest of the images. And we can change the format so it actually does show the title and maybe a little bit of a description so that people know it's not just a single image. So to create a gallery post, let's go to new and then post, and we'll create pretty much an album of pics from Los Angeles. So let's say we went on a little trip and we want to put all these into just one big gallery. We can put some words here in our description as well. And if we select a featured image, let's go to upload, hit select files, and we will click on this image right here as our featured image. Set featured image. Okay, let's add new category. We would just call this one city. And so instead of changing this to image, we're just going to leave it as standard. And we'll be adding some pictures here, but first let's just publish it and just show you what the thumbnail is going to look like. So publish, then let's take a look at our actual site. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, we have a featured image, but because this blog post is set as standard and not image, this shows the title as well as this description, unlike these other posts. And if we don't want to show, because it's showing everything from this part from the body, maybe we only want to show one line, we can click this insert read more tag, and now it will only show this part in the thumbnail, and the rest they'll only be able to see by actually clicking on it. So it doesn't show too much right away if we don't want it to. So we'll just hit update, and now we'll hit refresh right here, and now you can see the excerpt only shows the first sentence and not this second sentence. Okay, so now let's add a gallery, and to do so we'll hit add media, and right here top left, create gallery, and for this we're going to use this image, and we're going to upload a couple other images as well. We will be using, let's see, this image, and we will be using this image. Okay, now they're all loaded. We'll hit create new gallery, and here we can actually change the order or delete some if we realize after the fact we don't want all of these. So I want to change the order, so I'm just going to click it and drag it so that the featured image is the last image. I don't want it to be super redundant. And I'll hit, well, before I hit insert gallery, I'm going to actually change the size from thumbnail to large, so that when they're showing up on the page, they're not just showing up as just these tiny little things, that they're large. And columns, I'm going to change that to 1. So we could have it appear in 3 columns, but I just want it to appear in 1 column and have them be large size. Now I'll hit insert gallery, and there we have it. Even though this is showing as small, it should show up as large when we actually save these changes. So I'm going to save changes by hitting update. Now let's come back here, we'll hit refresh and click on the post, and so here we have the featured image, and then we have these images all from the gallery that we just added.